Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Wednesday again, and we can start the planning for today. Morning, Bucur. Morning, Pip. Morning, Ivan, Sebastian, Menes, Catalin, Bova. Hey, everyone. Well, we had volatility. We have interesting developments in crypto, and not only. As we mentioned, it's not easy mode, but at least we have volatility. So it's ugly for investors, but it's damn nice for traders. That's why I recommend everyone, at least swing trader if you cannot become a day trader. Hey, Stefan. Okay. Yeah, you are just lazy. It's not that they are too active. Okay, people, let's start with Bitcoin, and I prefer CME to see what we have. We closed one gap, we closed the big gap here. This one is still open. Some people say, well, it's enough. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. If Bitcoin is strong enough, I think we can push higher without coming back down here. This is kind of a pump chaser zone if you look on this template. Yeah, we touched 50% and now we are pushing back up. It's enough, it's not enough, we'll find out in the next week, probably next 2 weeks. If we'll accept back above 90k and we'll stay there slowly pushing into 100k, then we know that we'll fill completely that gap maybe in the bear market. But it's still there, it's still, I don't know, I still think we can attack that level once more. So don't say, well, it's over, it will push back up, and no, let's wait. It's a buying opportunity if we'll hit that 75, 77, 70k area. Not necessarily Bitcoin, but you saw what happened. Ethereum got destroyed, some altcoins got destroyed when Bitcoin dropped. So why not? Let's buy them if we'll get another opportunity. Now, in my view, now we are exactly at the ugliest level here. Now you can see we are at the neckline of this big range, big M. Kind of a support and resistance in this area. Not the best area to scalp, not the best area to even trade. Maybe we just leave it alone. We can still scalp, that's for sure, but today we have news again. Yeah, Wednesday, PMI. So in the New York session, we'll have news. Not the best environment to trade. Friday we have again. Yeah. In Europe, okay, it's important. I'm not saying it's not, but Friday is the big news. Let's go back here. Love to see that we have volatility. Love to see that we are fighting this level, 90k. But it's still a fight. We don't know if we'll accept above or we'll reject and we'll stay below. On lower time frame, yeah, we can trade some levels, but on daily, I don't see W's here. I see only ugly volatility. I still think we can attack at some point. This level is still possible to touch 61.8, to do the Wyckoff check finally, close the gap, make a small W, and then push higher. That will be the perfect scenario for us. But who knows? We'll see. Now, let's look at Ethereum. We didn't stay too long below $2,000. I bought that level, and you know that. I think Stefan posted for VIP. We discussed it yesterday in the live streams. That $2,000 level was a nice level. You can see we are 10% up already. So buying that level, even with a scalping technique, or scalping setup, if you manage to buy that $2,000, now you are kind of in a deep profit. And it's not over yet. We can push all the way up here. So at least 20% from the trade here should be up, should be still on. Now, I don't see on daily, I don't see not even a 3-bar fractal. We need to close today, and maybe tomorrow we'll find a 3-bar fractal here. This could be the SFU of the SFUs. Well, yes. Why? We can make a W and push back up. If you remember that we discussed this level yesterday in the live stream, 2 days ago, when we said, look at the liquidity here. They want to take the liquidity here, and then we'll decide if he wants up or not. And we took yesterday, we took the liquidity. Not that Bitcoin was too bearish, they just want that liquidity from Ethereum. Watch the live stream from yesterday, from 2 days ago. We discussed this level. I started buying here. I don't think for sure that it's over and we'll push higher again. Accepting below this level, even for a brief moment, is not the best thing ever, but we can get a bounce, and then we'll see what will happen. Technically, we're looking at fibs, looking at this low here, looking at this the highs, we should make a W below 61.8, so below $2,000. What will happen? I don't know. Let's wait. But as day traders, as scalpers, levels like this, big fat round numbers, they are a gift. Okay. So now if you see a lower time frame W, you can attempt to hunt along here. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. I'm not touching this one. Nice location for a trader that is trading this one on lower time frame. Yeah, if you trade this chart, you can see wick or tail, bounce and back, retesting this one. If you see a W on 1 hour, if you see something here, let's see 1 hour, then you can, yeah, there you go. You can attempt to trade something. Look at it. It's forming a W here in probably 78.6 long reload zone. And you have some bullish divergence, at least on RSI. Yeah? You want to see the location? Pretty simple, people. This is the high. Come on, don't be ugly. This is the low. And you just... 1 second. There you go. W on 78.6 in the long reload zone here. If you trade this chart, I'm not doing that. I'm not trading Ethereum versus Bitcoin. It's possible, but not my thing. So let's go back on daily. Lower time frame, okay, you can take a W. Higher time frame, kind of daily 4-hour chart. Wait for a bigger time frame W if you want to trade. When will become bullish again, Ethereum versus Bitcoin, I mean? Well, when you'll see a daily W. When you'll be sure that it's reversing and is pushing higher. When we'll close above this level. Well, I see you guys chatting without me. Yeah, let's see what you are saying. Okay, I'll keep presenting and I'll look at the chat later. So that's my opinion about Ethereum versus Bitcoin. It's a bit early, but on lower time frame is doable. And that will be a nice level to get that double on 1 hour and then to book some profit higher and trail the rest as long as possible. Could be something nice. Now, Bitcoin dominance. Well, we are still in the same range. We discussed it. We are playing around from 62 to 60. We find a new range and we are playing around here. Strong altcoins will outperform, weak altcoins will underperform, and that's it. When will become altcoin season? When will accept below 60%? We can see a lot of developments in altcoins. It's still possible to attack 63 here in the short reload zone. You can see I have an alarm here, waiting. For the moment, range. So let's scalp, let's day trade, nothing more we can do. If you don't have the bags on higher time frame for altcoins, yeah, it's still doable at this point in time. Total market cap, fighting 3 trillion. You can see how it's developing here. I still think we are in the same fight. We are fighting $3 trillion. This looks like max extraction, if you understand what I mean, yeah? This is Trump. You can call it Trump from now on, yeah? You don't need to call it railroad trucks, you can call it Trump trucks. Look at it. Huh? Trump pump dump. That's the perfect name, yeah? So Trump pump dump. They made money here. They took a lot of money from crypto people. It's exactly what happened here. A lot of money got out from crypto with these two candles. We wanted Trump. You wanted. I don't know about me, but I know some of you said, well, Trump will do this, will do that. Yeah, he's not our friend. You have to understand. We have to be on the smart money side, not thinking that Trump is our friend. Okay, total 3, similar, nah? max extraction, how they call it. They did it again, and they'll do it again and again and again, as long as it's working, people. Remember that, don't think they'll stop. Yeah, they'll never stop. If it's working, they'll keep pushing it, and they'll keep taking money. They don't have a limit. They don't have enough button for them. For them, enough, it's $1 more. You have to understand that. So you never say, well, this guy got enough and it's enough for him. No. It's never enough for them. You have a limit, I have a limit, some of us have a limit, they don't have a limit. They will take as much as they can. That's their mentality. When you understand it, you will understand why they are never happy. They are never satisfied. Yeah? That's their course, not ours. So don't become like them, but don't think they'll not eat you because you are not eating them. Yeah? They'll take your money and they'll leave you naked. Okay, so similar on total 3, yeah? Trump, pump, dump. And we are at the same level again. Now, altcoins. Altcoins are not pumping here. This is not a pump from altcoins on daily. They are at the bottom. Maybe they'll form a daily W. Maybe. Not yet. You can see daily. Tomorrow we can form a 3-bar fractal here. Nothing less, nothing more, and everything looks similar here, people. Nice location, look left, yeah, testing the week. We said about the weeks love to be retested, but you take the 3-bar fractal on daily, or you wait for a W, alpha the same. Almost all the altcoins look similar, people. Some more bullish, some more bearish, but we don't have W's on daily. So if you are a position trader, you should wait for a W. If you are an investor, that's your area where you want to start, people. If we have new people here, go on Discord, take the Road to Financial Freedom spreadsheet, use it as a template for your plan, make a plan, use that spreadsheet and start buying the strong altcoins. AVAX, similar. Everything looks kind of similar. We'll know that will reverse most probably when we'll see W's. Some of them, they are trying to do a 3-bar fractal bottom. Some of them, they are just at the bottom. One by one, you can see similar stuff. Time to pay attention. If you are a swing trader, you should focus on 4-hour chart. And you can see we are trying to attempt to do. I'll start again. 4-hour chart. We have a W on 1 inch. Alpha. We have a W. Not the best one with that week, but you get the idea. Trying to do a W. So swing traders, pay attention because some of the altcoins will give you a nice 4-hour W. I'm not saying to take everything. But select some of them and start playing. Look at this one, for example. Some of them, they are forming 4-hour Ws already. Up to you. Up to you what you want to take or what you don't take. TIA, 4-hour jack. Not the best. Yeah. We had some pump and dump. On lower time frame was strong, but you can see it's not strong anymore. No 4-hour W. I think once back here. Bucur. Your opportunity to load even more TIA. Yeah, $3. If we're lucky, maybe we'll get below $3, but I think $3 is a good level to load on TIA. We have our bags. If we'll go below $3, I'll start loading again, but I have enough. Honestly, I have enough. I could go on the entire list. The only one that is strong and doesn't care about what Trump is doing, it's Monero. Monero doesn't care. What Trump, what dump, what pump? Nah, sorry. Yeah, if I put weekly chart, you'll understand what I'm saying. Yeah, doesn't fucking care about Trump, pump, dump, Elon Musk or Baron Trump or Eric Trump. Nah, just leave me alone. I have another business to do. I have to be stable. I have to let people trust in me. Yeah, the potential here is not. It's for a double, maybe a triple here. But some people, that is telling me that some people don't want to give up on this one. They want to keep their money in Monero. For what reasons? You can suspect. I will not take it level by level and idea by idea why it's happening with Monero. You understand? People are not selling. They are true holders here. They are people with money that they want some reserves in Monero because they don't trust US dollar, because they don't trust not even Bitcoin. They trust Monero. You can send some transaction without everyone knowing what you are buying, what you are doing. Yeah? If they are not selling, the price will not move. What you don't understand, Jade? So that means when the market is pumping, also this one will be stable. So it's up to you, people. I'm not recommending to do this or that, but you get the idea. Well, has a privacy in it, Jade. And privacy is valuable these days. Okay. Rest of them, pumping and dumping. You can see, I'll go back on daily. Still, this trade is still valid here, but what will happen? We'll have to wait and see. Now, let's go on calendar. We have today, we have PMI. Thursday, we have Europe. Yeah, so Europe will give us some news, but still close to the tomorrow New York session. And then Friday. Friday, we should stay mostly on the sidelines. Hunt SFU on a bit higher time frame. Yeah, it's still possible to trade, but you have to know what to do. If you are not a day trader, if you are not fast, if you are not sharp, stay away. Stay away. Don't touch the market Friday. Now, about VIP. Today, after the New York session, we'll close the registration for VIP. So, sorry people, if you don't take a place today, you don't have a chance to enter VIP until next month. We had that problem last month, and every month we get some people that they want to get in after we close the registration. Well, not quite possible. I think 2 or 3 places are left. I don't know for sure, but I remember we had 4 at some point. 2 or 3 places left until we reach 50, and then we close. Now, about some shitcoins, altcoins, not meme coins, because this one is not a meme coin. It's back at entry, people. It's up to you if you take it or not. I'm long from this level. Bocian is long from this level. We have a full position here. What will happen? We don't know. Some of us have this trade with a stop loss here. Some of us, like Bocian, doesn't have a stop loss probably. He just invests in this project. Yeah? Different approach, different position size. You have to know what you're doing. Yeah? Now, let's go on lower time frame and let's see what we have. I'll start with Bitcoin as usual. 1 hour. We had the low, we had the high, we had the long reload zone here. We didn't manage to get a W. We had the dark mole up and down. We had the shark level. Yeah, that's why I recommend everyone learn the shark setup. If you know the shark and you can trade the shark, you can make money with a proper risk management, of course. I prefer to do something else on lower time frame, and you can see my entry is a bit higher than the shark, but the window of risk is smaller. I risked a little bit and I managed to get a better risk to reward. I'll show you the difference. So this is a 5-to-1, and if I put the shark, but remember, it's not for beginners, people. If I put the shark, I'll be now below 2-to-1. Okay. I have with shark, I have until this initial yam here, I have 2.5. So it's not bad at all. But I wanted something more, so if you put a 5-minute chart, you'll understand why and what I did. Yeah? Level from here, we SFU that level, we accepted above, and when we retested that important level, we bounced straight up. Yeah? So this was a really nice level to enter. Similar level was posted by Stefan on VIP. Now, I booked the profit, I made some money. I didn't double the trades because Stefan was already posting. We discussed the setups in the New York session yesterday. Everyone knew at least about house level and the shark level. We bought the fear here and we got rewarded. Stefan, I think, got even a better risk to reward. I don't know exactly. Because when you are scalping on lower time frame, you don't have time to look at everything. You just focus on what you are doing. Now, let's go back on 1 hour. What we can do now? Well, we should assume that it's a fib pong area. It's a range and a fib pong also. Yeah? So, we should take this high. We should take this low. And if you are a fan of shorting Bitcoin, trading and shorting, you should attempt to short here. And you have a key point here, this level. Okay, so you should watch that level for a potential short. Get it? Which is $91,150. But in general, we wait for the market to give us the location here. That means short reload zone, and then we are trying to frame some yams or to wait for some yams or 3-bar fractal. You can take the entire shark here. Entry at 92, stop loss at 94, 95. Or if something really bullish will happen, you can even play the SFU level here. I recommend SFU with reclaiming. So market will lower time frame will push higher and then will accept back below this level, and that's your entry. We have some levels to watch. In the same time, for lower time frame traders, for day traders, if you see the market, let's see, this was the top. Hey, it's enough, it's not pumping more. I don't think so, but it's possible. You take this high, you take this low, and you put a long reload zone. You can see here, if you look left, we have some support here. So if the market will M out here and will form a W in this area, you can long again. It's not signals. It's not posting exactly what you should do. I'm just giving you some ideas, people. You should learn to trade by yourself, not to trade only with ideas from others. I'm giving you the areas. Well, there you should look for a short. That's the level you should short. Here is the long. We showed you yesterday, Stefan showed you some setups. Every day we are posting, every day we are trying to teach you. But spoon feeding, yeah, you have kind of a spoon feeding on VIP. But even there you have to have a plan. And you have to select the trades you take. It's not possible to take everything we post. So it's not copy trading, people. Sorry. Copy trading is not working when you want to scale, when you have a bigger community. It's not working anymore. It's not possible in a small market, everyone to buy the same fucking level and the market still working and going to the same direction. No. Our community, at this point, yeah, we can, I don't know, use copy trading if you will, we want. But a bigger community is impossible. It's not working anymore because too many people are hunting the same level. If it's a reason that copy trading is not working. So no signals here. I could see something aggressive. I could see something like this. AB. Take this one, CD. This one will point out a lot higher. Here. Close to the SFU level. It's kind of aggressive to take this W and think AB equals CD. It's aggressive. It's there. It's up to you. You can take it. The risk reward to think AB equals CD is pretty big here. But at the same time, the win rate is pretty low. Yeah, you can see you have a 4-1 to take that W, but the win rate is not the best. So that's Bitcoin. Let's take a look at what we have on Ethereum. Similar, $2,000. I bought some spot. And I took this scalp on lower time frame. But $2,000 was a good, acceptable level for me to buy some spot. And you can see now, 2,200, I'm 10% in profit. On spot, it's a lot. On spot, it's a good profit. Now, maybe you will never touch $2,000 again and will go straight to 4. That will be nice for my spot bag. No? I think so. For scalping, we have to go on 1 minute. You can see kind of a SFU of this level, but was pretty ugly, I'll be honest. Ugly because we didn't close anything here. Even on 1 minute, I was looking 1 3-minute chart and nothing was happening. And I took this one. I wasn't happy with what I did here, but well, it's a trade. I managed my risk and that's it. It's working. It worked really nicely. I still have some of my my long here, but I wasn't happy with this level I took here. I think Stefan on Ethereum at least had a better level than me. I don't know exactly from my head, but I think he had a better level. Well, after all, a 3.8 or 4 R. Come on, people. If you get one trade a day with 2 R, 3 R, 4 R in profit, you are more than happy. You don't need more than that. So, even if it was an ugly day, we made some money yesterday. VIP are happy. Premium, I think they are happy. General members, well, you got the live streams for everyone, so you had the chance to trade if you are a trader, to make some money. Nothing else we can do, people. Yeah, Sebastian was happy. I saw him taking some trades. So that's the best we can do, people. We cannot take your the trades in your place. Knocking at your door, well, open the computer, let me take a trade in your place. No. You have to put some effort and you have to learn how to trade. That's why you're here. We still, today, I'll focus on swing trading. Maybe I'll find the higher time frame, some trades. Here, don't attack. Let's put 1 hour chart again. Don't be greedy here on Ethereum. Why? Well, look left. Now, 2200 is kind of at the resistance. Huh? We can try to accept above, but we'll probably reject. Or if we'll not reject, well, so be it, but you don't want to chase here. You want to do the same, like we did on Bitcoin. Pretty simple, people. You take this high, you take this low, and you put the short reload zone if you want to find a short, okay? There you go, all the way up here. Now, if you want to long, well, you take the high, this is the high, this is the low, and you take the long reload zone. And then you're attempting to enter here. You can use, in this case on Ethereum, you can use even 61.8 Stefan setup kind of idea. Entry here, stop loss there. And you hunt a 2 to 1. There you go, and that's your trade. On 1 hour time frame. If you want lower, well, join VIP, people. Sorry. I will not stay and give you 5-minute chart ideas. Yeah, it's hard to do that. It's almost impossible. You have to be in the front of your screen to take a 5-minute or lower time frame trade. But you get the idea. Short in this area, if will be the case. Long, if will come back down. Here, we have some resistance, so it's ugly to even touch the market. And usually Wednesday are not the best for trading. Let's be honest. Wednesday are ugly. Range is not moving. It's just not the best day for trading. Well, happy to hear that, Menas. Happy to hear that. You're here to learn. You're here to become better. And at some point, sooner than later, you should be a guy that is helping the community, posting ideas. The more strong traders we have, the better the community is. That's the idea of a community, to be 1 + 1 = 10. Why? If I'm looking at some charts, if you are looking at some charts, if 10 people are looking at the charts, our ideas will help the entire community. And I cannot watch the entire market, you cannot watch the entire market, but the community can watch the entire market and just take the ideas. Well, if I have 10 people posting ideas, I'll just go there. I don't have to scan. I'll just go there and select, well, this trade is not in my plan. Well, look at this one. Man has posted a trade that I like. Let's take it. Or let's frame it with my tools, but I like the level. That's the power of a community. Not just being here and blabbing away. No. That's why we made this community, actually, to learn and to help each other. That's why we grew in the bear market, and we are still growing. When people are panicking at index below 10, community say, well, I'll give up. We are growing. Why? We have a different approach. Yeah, I'm kicking off 70 to 80% of the newcomers because we don't need moon boys. If they are not consistent, we don't want them here, but we are growing. Organically, I could say, we are becoming stronger, better. That's the idea. The old members know where we started. Huh? Like Stefan, like Abdullah, Dalmoudi is kind of from the beginning. Yeah? We started with less than 20 people. But consistency, you can see where we are now, and we'll grow a lot bigger. Now we have more than 20 people posting good ideas. So, people, hit the like button if you want. I see 36 people. I see 18 likes. If you don't like the stream, don't hit the like button. If you want to repost the tweet on I posted here in the chat at the beginning, or go on Crypto Traders Arena Twitter and repost this one. No, that will help us a little bit for new people to see us, to see our stream. Okay. Now, I'll go back here on and I'll end with this. Here we can find a short idea if you are a fan of shorting, or better is to wait for a dip and to hunt a long idea. If you want to chase, you take this tool. If you are a premium member or a VIP member, yeah, you take this fucking tool and you chase. Yeah, it's possible. I don't recommend for beginners, but traders that they have access on Holy Grail, you can chase. Yeah, similar on Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin. You can see it's possible to chase if you want. You have a tool designed for that. If you want to select even lower time frame, okay, select lower time frame. And you can see this is a range on 1 minute. I don't recommend, but on 5 it's possible. Ethereum. Well, Ethereum it's a bit different. I recommend everyone to stay on 5-minute chart because the ATR is better respected. So if you feel the FOMO, well, take a chance with Holy Grail. But if your stop loss is hit, get the fuck out and wait in the long reload zone here. Well, people, I don't see requests. I saw you are chatting in the chat. Yeah, pump, dump, Trump, pump, dump, and Trump again. Remember this, Trump will not stop until what he's doing is not working anymore. He will do it over and over again. He tricked us once, he tricked us twice. Next time, remember what he's trying to do. Yeah? If you fell in his trap, I told you not to, but if you fell in his trap, at least remember for the next time. Okay? So don't do it again. Maybe you can even benefit from that, what he's doing, if you are fast and smart enough. Okay, people, let's call it a live stream. See you in the New York session if you are a premium member. By the way, for premium, we have 4 places available this month. Yeah? We close the VIP today. And then we focus again. Trading for VIP, trading for premium, and teaching Kappa 1 and Kappa 2. Stefan is live streaming in VIP. He should be already in, or his live streaming, he'll start live streaming when I close this one. That's the idea, Menace. So he's live streaming for VIP and for premium. Yeah, this week is for premium also, so join the VIP. After I close this live stream, Stefan is starting to share the screen and start presenting and hunting lower time frame. This live stream is not for scalping people. So I know some of you want that, but no, it's not. This is for planning, for giving you some ideas. So to tell you, well, look in this area, I see support here, I see this one, I could see a trade here, I could take this one. But it's not scalping like on VIP. That's why we have VIP. It's a lot of time and effort. Because when you are posting VIP trades, sometimes you miss the trade for yourself. People pay good money to get the ideas. So for some people, $200 is a lot of money. Let's call it, let's be honest. For some people, $200 is a lot of money. For traders that they are increasing their portfolio month by month, it's less than one trade. Yeah. But for beginners, for some people, it's a lot of money. Okay, let's call it a live stream. See you on VIP if you are premium or VIP or in the New York session. Bye bye.